The number 0.375 is how much greater than 1 over 8. We have decimal number and fraction. So first, to compare these two numbers, I will change our fraction to decimal number. How we do this? By doing long division. So we divide numerator by denominator. So we have to divide 1 by 8. Because we cannot put 8 to 1, so we need to add extra zeros. When we don't have anything after this whole number, it means always we have decimal point, and because we have 3 digits here after decimal point in our first number, I will add 3 zeros. These zeros after decimal point doesn't change the value of our number. And now we can do long division. Like I said, when we have to put 8 to 1, we cannot do. So we can write on the top 0, and now we have to do multiplication. 0 times 8 is 0. Next, we have to do subtraction. 1 minus 0 is 1. What we will do next? We take up decimal point. This is our decimal point. And we take down next digit, 0. So we have now 10. 10 divided by 8. How many times we can put 8 to 10? 1. So we have to always write the result on the top. So we have 1. And again, multiplication. 1 times 8 is 8. And again, subtraction. 10 minus 8 is 2. What next? We have to take down next digits because our remainder is different than 0. So we still do long division. We take down next digit. So will be now 20 divided by 8. How many times you can put 8 to 20? 2 times. So we have to write on the top answer. And now again, multiplication. We'll have to do like division, multiplication, subtraction, and take down next digits. And again, division, multiplication, subtraction. So 20 divided by 8, we write that this is 2. And now we had division, so we have to do multiplication. 2 times 8 is 16. And subtraction. 20 minus 16 is 4. So our remainder is different than 0, so we will take down next digit, 0. So we have 40 divided by 8 is 5. We can put 8 to 40 5 times. And again, division we had, so now multiplication. 5 times 8 is 40. Next, subtraction. 40 minus 40 is 0. So we finish long division. Our remainder is 0. So we can write that 1 over 8 is equal, whatever we have on the top is our solution. So we have this 0, decimal point 1, 2, 5. And our first number is 0, decimal point 375. So let me write these two numbers. We have 0, decimal point 375, and we have 0, decimal point 1, 2, 5. We have to say how much greater is 0.375 than 1 over 8. Because now both numbers are decimals, so we can do subtraction from the greater number. This is greater number. Digits after decimal point is 3, and in our second number we have 1. 3 is greater than 1. So this number is greater. So on the top we will write greater number. We have 0, decimal point 375 minus. We have to keep the same column. The decimal point must be in the same column. Tens, hundred, thousands in the same column. 1, 2, and 5. And we do subtraction. 5 minus 5, we start from the last column, is 0. 7 minus 2 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. We copy decimal point. 0 minus 0 is 0. So what we got? 0.25. We don't have to write the last zero because it doesn't change the value of our number. So we found that the number 0.375 is how much greater? 0.25. This is my solution.